Hello everybody, so I'm back to the video. So today I'm going to overview the VTech, where was cs6214-11 or minus. The that model is the Canadian version than the American version of it because of that. So we have the, I don't know what year it is, but I'm gonna show you the little. Oh, sorry, my camera going to fall. I'm gonna. Okay, where is it? I'm gonna show you 2.4 volt, 300 megahertz. I believe. I think it's megahertz. Yeah, I think it's megahertz. So, yeah. So wait, I'm gonna go on somewhere else because my mind's next to me. Sorry, my camera just turning around because I only filmed my iPad for a video and the YouTube short in my iPhone. In my iPhone, it was my house. So never mind. So, oops, sorry. So we have here. I'm gonna close the door to not annoying my mom. Sorry. Yeah, we have VTech. Uh, VTech. So yeah. I go to menu, dictionary. If you want to add someone that you know, just uh, press select or blah 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 blah. Press the contact, add contact name with phone number, fill in the name. Oops. So caller ID. Yeah, you see, no one called me, so because they didn't know what this phone number is. And I don't know what his phone number on that phone too. So I gotta call with my mom phone. So dear Rainer, so volume. I don't know if my mom will hear this. So off, low, yeah. So their tone too. That one have the same ringtone as the cs6114. So if you wanna get it, if you wanna, or if you want gonna hear it, if you don't know what it sound like on this, so please listen right now. Yeah. Oh wait. Only four. Yeah, I know it. Right now, so set it on date and time already did. Setting language already. Clear voicemail. I don't have a voicemail, as you guys see. Ketone. The ketone does a annoying button, like if I put on. Look, like, yeah, that's too annoying. So I can put off. Oh, setting. Omega code. I don't know why is it. I have only the living room one and the kitchen and the cabinet only to power phone line and dial mode. Like I have a little bit of problem with the dial mode. Like sorry, if I put pause and go back and like right now, no, like 8%. Yes, but it's not working unfortunately. Why didn't you shut up? Uh. So yeah, this is when the setting menu is. So if you're trying to call someone that you know, just dial phone number, or if you press talk, press the number over there. Is like, I'm gonna type the number that I don't know. Like, yeah, the button are a bit weird. Like, uh, uh, like that, like that. If you want so this is a mute button, and this is deleted, and this is read out. If I press read out and press talk, just watch. Ciao. Never mind. I don't know. Okay, I'm scared. So this is a. So if we press here for a shortcut, there's an empty. If you press color ID, that means color ID log. No one called me. So yeah, this is it. So this is the end of the video of the VTech cs6214-11, the Canadian model.